Good morning. Today is Thursday, December 1st, 2022. I am here at Hidden Harbor Marina, and this is a video for the 31-foot Albin. The customer is on the boat and has said that it was cleaned within the past couple of days. So this is just a video just to see if there's any spots that could need improvement, or if there's anything that might be a concern. Alright, there's a little bit of growth, but customer said it's been a few months since he's got it cleaned, so I mean, who knows what it could have been beforehand. I'll go ahead and send this to Dane and see what his ideas are.